Good evening, everyone. Welcome to tonight's call. My name is Nick, and I'm coming to you from Johannesburg here in South Africa. Welcome to all our international brand partners on this call. To everyone in South Africa, Namibia, Swaziland, Lesotho, you on this call, Nigeria, welcome, welcome, welcome. So tonight's call is going to be about this amazing superfruit juice I call magic juice called Tahitian Noni juice. Now, in Africa. It's available in Nigeria and South Africa. And in South Africa, we are very excited. In fact, we are very excited in Nigeria and South Africa that we are getting the pouches as well. So it's not long to go. It's not long at all. A month or two, and we'll have everything in our respective countries. So we'll have the 1 liter bottle, the glass bottle, as well as the the sachets, the pouches, as we call them. So before I carry on, I just want to read out this disclaimer because this presentation is for informational purposes only, and the information contained herein should not be construed as health or medical advice. These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. Our products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So in modern life today, comes a lot of wellness challenges. And we are so fortunate to have this product on our shore. So I'm going to share a little 3-minute movie with you guys just to tell you about what this noni is about that everyone's talking.
Noni juice is the juice extracted from the noni fruit. Noni fruit comes from a tree in subtropical and tropical regions. The juice has been used as a traditional remedy in certain Southeast Asian countries and has now become popular worldwide. Health benefits of noni juice. 1. Protects heart. Noni has the potential to prevent thickening and hardening of the artery walls and thus plays a crucial role in heart health. It also helps to lower the blood pressure and maintains a healthy heart. 2. Good for diabetes. According to the research, noni fruit and noni juice have anti-diabetic properties. Studies have also revealed that noni juice is effective in lowering fasting glucose, improving glucose tolerance and insulin sensitivity. 3. Liver protection. Noni fruit juice is found to be effective in protecting the liver against toxic substances. Studies reported that hepatoprotective property of noni juice helps to protect liver from the exposure of various harsh chemicals and thereby prevents liver damage. 4. Boosts immunity. A strengthened immune system is another benefit of noni juice. Scopolamine, which is present in noni juice, possesses anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antihistamine, and antifungal properties that boost the immune defense mechanism of your body. 5. Ease arthritis. The healing powers of noni juice brings relief in inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Research has provided qualitative evidence regarding the analgesic traits of noni juice, which helps in reducing sensitivity and pain, thereby reducing the joint destruction implicated in the painful arthritis. 6. Helps reduce cholesterol. Studies have proven that noni fruit extract significantly reduces total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol in patients with hypercholesterolemia. According to a study, it is observed that LDL bad cholesterol is decreased and HDL good cholesterol is increased among noni juice drinkers. Studies also reported that noni juice can significantly lower the risk of dyslipidemia among cigarette smokers. 7. Prevents cancer. Noni juice contains cancer-fighting nutrients. As per the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, noni contains immune-stimulating and tumor-fighting properties. 8. Skin health. Noni is a great addition to your hair and skincare regime when applied or taken internally. Studies have suggested that the juice is rich in protective chemical constituents known as anthraquinones, which exert collagen-stimulating effects and prevents the formation of wrinkles on the skin surface. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of noni work at the cellular levels and are useful in curing various skin disorders. These includes burns, acne, allergic skin reactions, and hives. 9. Healing of wounds. Noni juice speeds up the recovery of wound healing process. Various studies have reported that noni juice has wound curing properties associated with the functioning of collagen, hydroxyproline, and protein content. High blood sugar level is connected with poor wound healing process. Noni fruit reduces blood sugar level, hence it helps to heal wounds in diabetic people. 10. Relieves muscle spasm. Noni helps to get relief from muscle spasm. Noni contains high content of K+ ions, which induce muscle contractions, and this stimulates the blockage of calcium channel, resulting in suppressing the muscle spasms. Finally, it helps to relieve the pain and discomfort in the muscle.
So that's all about Noni. Now, this, what you see on the screen here, is the processing facility we have in Tahiti. Now, everything gets pulped there and it gets sent out to the various warehouses that we have all over the world. In fact, we have actually 4 warehouses that the Noni juice gets transported to. So what they do is they pulp it, they put it in a big vat, and it gets shipped out to these various receiving warehouses where it gets checked, it gets coded, it gets checked again, it gets bottled, and it gets sealed. So Tahitian Noni believes that cultures like in Tahiti can show us a better way to live, because they don't do any other medicine except Tahitian Noni juice. Their wisdom is traditional remedies that provide guidance for the troubles of modern life. That's why they live longer. Natural solutions validated by science can be just as effective. You know, Tahitian Noni is one of those natural superfruit juices that is actually peer-reviewed, checked, studied, and they're constantly improving on the product. There's no additives, no preservatives. The soil that it's grown in is pure. So the Tahitian Noni juice that you all know is the one that we produce and that we supply to the world. There is other Noni juices in India and in Asia, but there's nothing like or can compare to Tahitian Noni juice. And we're not just saying that, we're saying it because it's published in the physician desk review. It's been peer reviewed. So there's a lot of tests that have done with Tahitian Noni juice. So consistent daily behaviors makes the biggest impact in your life. So daily intake of Tahitian Noni will make the impact that you need. So what is Noni? It's a tropical fruit prized by Polynesians for thousands of years due to its versatility and numerous health benefits. Now, there's a lot of long words in this presentation. I'm going to try my best, but you'll know where I'm coming from. So it's comprised of more than 275 phytonutrients, including rare iridoids, all of which power its antioxidant and adaptogenic properties. So in layman's terms, it's basically, in inverted commas, a natural antibiotic. So the phytonutrients is what makes makes the iridoids. And when a natural product has got iridoids, you know this product has a lot of potential to better your health, let's call it that. Thousands of modern scientific publications have documented the effectiveness of Noni. So, founded in 1996 with the goal of introducing the power of Noni to the world, and believe me, we have done this. Largest economic partner on the island of Tahiti in this category. So Noni is produced right through the year. 12 months of the year, Noni's picked off the Morinda tree, and it's pulped right through the year. Sold in more than 60 markets through PartnerCo. From the French Polynesia, Noni fruit puree and juice constitute the largest volume in agricultural exports that happens into the United States. Now, the fruit itself is broken down into various main properties. The bulk of it is water, as you can see there. It contains carbohydrates. It's got vitamins in it, minerals, the phytonutrients over there, also called phytochemicals, and iridoids are phytonutrients, as I said. Now, there's a whole lot of fruit at the bottom there, as you can see on the graph here. The only fruit that contains iridoids is Tahitian Noni juice. And that is why this product, I take it every single day. In fact, after COVID, I haven't stopped taking noni, and I haven't even had the flu. So the miracle juice, once you open it, put it in the fridge, take 30 to 60 mils a day, and it works from the inside out. So if you're interested in bettering your health, it works differently on everybody. So you take the 30 mils in the morning on an empty stomach from the fridge, and let it do its work. So we've completed a lot of research since the early days. So more than 120 peer-reviewed scientific research publications. These are the books that are on it. So I'll give you a website that you can also go to study and see the research that's taken place with Tahitian noni. There are so many tonight. I'm not going to mention all of them. I will mention some of them, but there's studies done on immune boosting and antioxidant human studies conducted in the various universities. Movement trial conducted in the University of Lagos College of Medicine in Nigeria. There's the safety clinical trial, which was conducted in the British Industrial Biological Research Association, BIBRA. The antioxidant and heavy smokers test they did in the University of Illinois College of Medicine. So there's a lot of these that the studies has been done in various universities, like lowering the triglycerol protein in heavy smokers, conducted in the University of Illinois College of Medicine. Energy tests have been done in the Moscow Scientific and Practical Center of Sports Medicine. Protein, skeletal muscle during exercise, conducted at the University of Port Harcourt. So you can watch this again on the recording, and you can see the actual going to where they've actually taken 60 people here with this one, highly trained athletes, 14 controls, placebo-controlled, 1 month trial with time to fatigue treadmill tests at the end of the trial. And they've come up with the results, and Tahitian noni juice has come out a winner every single time. For cyclists, it's very, very good for cyclists. Again, 30 volunteers. They did a 2-week trial, or placebo supplementation for 2 weeks. And T&J group had increased the VO2 max and the 50-watt VO compared to the others that they tested, which actually shows that it's a cut above the rest. So again, more tests done, published in the Journal of for Problems in Nutrition. In Japan, a population study was done. A population was done in Japan with 3,913 Japanese, revealed that increased daily iridoid ingestion corresponds to lower true age. Tahitian noni juice is a major source of dietary iridoids, conducted by Marinda Research and Development and Kyoritsu Women's College in Tokyo. Very, very big in Japan. They swear by this. And it's starting to take shape in Africa as well. The more people start to know about Tahitian noni juice, the more people want this product. So here we have the benefits, the key benefits of the original Tahitian noni juice. It's a powerful antioxidant from grape. Nutrients and phytonutrients are contained in the product. Boosts immune system with noni, boosts overall health and well-being. It contains mainly blueberries and grape as a fruit in this product. And the bottle itself is tamper-proof. So there's various security features, so it can't be copied. The top of the bottle, as you can see there, is actually in the shape of the fruit. Okay, you'll see the lid. The lid is a tamper-proof lid, sealed. So once that seal is broken, if you come across it, don't take it. The other thing with the bottle itself, I said it's in the shape of, it's glass, and it's in the shape of the fruit. And also, It's got the engraving on the ring. It's got the engraving on the ring on the top there, which tells you about the noni itself. And here are some of the benefits of Tahitian noni juice. Now, there's a whole list over here. If you want to take a screenshot of this, you can do so. It'll be in the recording as well. But it supports the immune system. It boosts energy, protects DNA against oxidative damage, promotes overall health and wellness. What else is here? Supports normal blood sugar metabolism. It's very good for the nervous system. Promotes, strengthens and balances the whole body, guards against ravages of aging by nourishing cells, tissues, and organs. And there's so much more. I've just mentioned helps maintain cholesterol at existing normal levels. So this is truly a natural, magic, liquid gold superfruit juice. 30 mils a day, one bottle at 30 mils a day lasts you 1 month. 60 mils a day obviously is going to last you half that time. Tahitian noni, the key product in Dubai. If you're in the UAE, get hold of Sarah over there. She's got the agency for Tahitian noni juice over there. Used by Polynesians for over 2,000 years, commercially sourced in Tahiti since 1990s. Unique environment promotes health properties that cannot be replicated. For example, volcanic soil provides powerful nutrients. Iridoids protection of the plant cells, medicinal properties, all about Tahitian noni juice. So, and the other unique thing about Tahitian noni, if you haven't been told, is there is tree to bottle traceability. So, for whatever unexpected reason, there's something wrong with the Tahitian noni, which has never happened, we can trace which tree that was used to bottle this actual product. And that is how specific we are with this product. So formal certification, we are in the Cologne list. So if you're a professional sports person, you're allowed to take Tahitian noni because it doesn't contain any banned substances. You will pass any test. As we said, it's published in the Cologne list. It's available in the UAE also. It's halal certified, okay? And as I said, 30 mils a day to maintain your current health levels, 60 mils a day to enhance the benefits of the product. Okay. It also can be applied externally in areas that are infected. So you can use it, and we've had testimonials where it's worked with that too, and you will see it on the web page. Okay, there's the certification, the halal certificate, and then here's the physician desk reference. Again, like I said to you, it's published in there at the bottom left there, noniresearch.org and pdr.net. Go into those web pages, you'll see everything about Tahitian noni juice published there. It's used in America big time. They refer to the physician desk reference. All the homeopaths, they love it. So there you go. It includes antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, anti-tumor, all the A's there. Includes data on the allergenicity and toxicity, which shows no observed adverse effects. So that's the product. And you've got to understand how privileged we are to have this product. You cannot get this product in a retail store. It's direct sales only from approved agents like yourself. And if you were shown this video and you want to join our business, get back to that person that actually told you about this product. Ask as many questions as you like. There's no side effects with this product. And this product will actually take you to the next level. You will bless so many people. So that's all from me for tonight. I hope you enjoyed this call, short and sweet. Get back to that person that showed you this recording. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's of value to you. If you don't know, you don't know me. So see you next time. Take care and all the best. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Sir Nick.
Thank you so much, Nick. Amazing presentation. Thank you.
Thank
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
you.